How to install angle rod railing with angle anchor kits in 60 seconds. Identify and prep both your rod and hardware for your angled run. Insert a Rod Threaded Crimp Fitting into the rod. Crimp the fitting twice, making sure to crimp only the depression of the fitting. If necessary, use a Dremel Tool or angle grinder to smooth down the crimped ridges of the rods. Run the rod up through the bottom tension post and up through any intermediate posts. The rod will have to punch through the foam inserts. Select and insert a rod angle anchor fitting into the top oval hole. Insert the fitting vertically and then turn the fitting 90 degrees to lock it into place. Move the threaded fitting up to the angle anchor fitting and fully thread it inside. And that's all it takes to install angle rod anchor kits. For more tutorials, tips, and tricks, check out Viewrail.com.